Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So I have a new look today. I'm rocking this new wig from Rpgshow wig. I wanted to show you something that literally requires like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's all you need to get this hair looking like it is. It already comes cut in style for you. All you need to do is just cut off the lace. It can definitely be worn glueless. I've worn it glueless today. For those who want to give their hairline a break, you know, from all the glues and sprays and everything, this hair is perfect and it just stays secure. So I'm just going to show you the quick way. It's so easy. Probably the quickest wig I've ever worn. Straight out the box, nothing needed, no extra finessing, just put it on, good to go. 250% density. It's just perfect. It's a perfect length. It's not too long, not too short. And I haven't rocked this look. I think I rocked this look like years ago. It's been a while. I think I rocked it straight. Did I rock it straight? I'm not sure, but I honestly love it. And I love like it's already dark as well. I don't have to dye it and everything. So let's get straight into the video. So this is what the wig looks like. It also comes with like the frontal part as well, so you can wear it like glued down, but because I feel like this hairstyle is like really quick and on the go, I kind of don't want to glue it down, so I'm going to make it, you know, glueless. Love the hair. I love that it already comes, you know, pretty much styled for you, so you can just like go over it with some colors if you want to. So again, HD lace, like I said, so you can just cut off the lace and apply it. You know, you have the elastic band, which will obviously hold the hair secure, and you can also adjust the straps like to pull it even tighter. So like I said, you don't have to glue it down. You can definitely wear it glueless. Just gonna pull the straps on the side. It's probably the quickest and easiest wig I have worked with. So easy on the go, and really good for people who want to like give their hairline a break. People like me. From all the gluing and everything. It's got a pin at the back that secures the back, so you obviously, like I said, it's pretty snug. You can tighten it even tighter than this, but I feel like this is pretty snug for me. Looks something like this. Honestly, like, you honestly do not have to do anything to this wig. You can trim the bangs if you want to make them, you know, shorter, so you can actually see through, or you can just push it back. You can push the wig back a little bit. Okay, so completely forgot about the lace front. I'm gonna cut off the lace frontal and then wear it properly. I'm just gonna pin this bit back. Yeah, so like I said, you can just wear it glueless because you don't have to glue it down. Just in case I decide to later on. I'm not cutting off the lace entirely, so if I want to like glue it down another day, but I most likely won't. I feel like the wig is pretty secure. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly brush this out. Like I said, it does come styled, so you literally have little to no work to do. The wig is 250% density. If you have any like tracks lying around, you can probably like add some extras just to give it some more volume. But yeah, I'm just gonna, honestly, like I thought I was gonna have to do a lot to this, but I really don't. It is so easy. It is literally the quickest wig, honestly. I'm gonna just give it a really quick curl. Some of the curls are not as defined, so I want to feel like I'm actually doing something in this video, so I'm gonna give some bits a quick curl. Run my curling wand through. This is so easy, so quick. So I would rock this wig. Like I said, it can be one glueless. You just have to adjust the straps, makes it even more secure. I know you're gonna absolutely love this wig because I do too. It's like, it's not too heavy, it's so lightweight, just gives a perfect, definitely frames your face as well, gives a perfect look. I feel like it's just something different, you know, from the regular, you know, frontals where you can see. Obviously, you know, if your hair isn't great, this can be a great way to, like, you know, cover it. On those days you're not feeling your hair, just put this on. This covers everything. You don't even have to glue it down, no glues, no sprays, nothing, just quick, on the go. Absolutely love it. So yeah, I will put the info to this wig in the description box. I think this is a 24-inch or 26, I'm not quite sure. And it's even like a dark color as well, which is great. So you don't even really have to like dye it jet black. It's perfect. So that's it for the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.